Okay, Clear Bra North Dallas, Tesla 3 Black. We wrapped this 2 years ago when they first came out, a little over that. But unfortunately, this client had a little bit of a scrape against his garage, so you can see how everything looks pretty bad, like it might need repaint. So we're going to go ahead and pull that off. Let's pull that top one slowly first. And we'll see what we got underneath here. So let's do like this. Let's go slow. And we're gonna go right here with this damage right on this corner. And you'll see that the bra actually, yeah, it's just adhesive, but there, get that back. So here's the scrape from his pillar. And you'll see it didn't even penetrate the bra. So now let's go down to the bumper here, where there was a little bit more connection to the house. It's just a little adhesive. And focus on that, and you'll see that the bra actually handled. And this here is all paint transfer, so this will all come off. But the scraping from the home didn't even penetrate the bra. And that, my friends, is what it's all about. This is adhesive right here. We'll clean all that off. But just wanted to shoot this video to show you how strong the clear bra is. So no paint damage. Everything looks great. So what we'll do is we'll end up replacing the fender bra, obviously, and then the bumper, and the car's back to new. No paint, and we don't want aftermarket paint. The factory paint's always the best. So there you go. Clear Bra North Dallas does it again with Xpel Ultimate Plus. Take care.